These are the Madison and Schneider Casino playing cards. The front of the tuck box says compliments of Madison and Schneider Casino, which I really wish they would make one, and you also still get their rose and their feather. One side says MxS Casino, while the other side has some ad copy. The bottom says Casino Finish and has a barcode. The back is going to be a representation of the back design, and the top says Madison and Schneider with a beautiful red tuck seal. The inner tuck flap says MxS time is money. There's nothing on the inside of the tuck box, so since that's all I can say for the tuck box, let's take a look at the cards inside. The first card you get when pulling the cards out of the deck is a blue card that just says MxS Casino with absolutely nothing on the back. The next one you get is an Ace of Spades from the Pink Remedies playing cards. Now here is the absolutely gorgeous back design from the MxS Casino playing cards. You do have about a medium border, and parts of this a little bit thinner, but that's just because USPCC sucks, not because these cards do. The rose and feather repeat over and over on this back design, and it is absolutely gorgeous. If you love playing poker like I do, you'll be excited to know that there is a poker card for your dumb friends. And now you get kind of an interesting order where you start with diamonds, and you go from king to ace, and then you go to clubs, and then you go to hearts, and then you end on spades. Your number cards are going to be completely USPC standard. And same goes for your three aces. And the court cards is where it starts getting really fun. So clearly the colors have all been recolored. But then you also have Daniel Madison, of course, holding his 9 of clubs in the back design down here. Then you have Daniel Schneider. And a few of the other court cards are actually all holding things as well. So clearly this one's holding a glass of wine. But whether they're holding something or not, they've all been completely customized with all new faces. So the Queen of Clubs is holding a black rose. You have no customization when it comes to the rest of the clothes and stuff, but clearly these are all absolutely gorgeous. The Queen of Hearts is holding one of those popsicles, which I think are super cool. It's what I always got when the ice cream truck came by. Then you have David Blaine for the King of Spades. Queen of Spades actually has a card reveal and is holding a blue rose. And the Jack of Spades is just gorgeous as well. These court cards are absolutely gorgeous. They killed these court cards. And last but not least, your Ace of Spades that says MxS Casino, time is money. Now let's hope that these cards can handle as well, oh my word, as well as they look. That was literally perfectly every other. I could not have asked for a better Pharaoh feeling from these playing cards, at least from bottom to top. Now USPCC usually struggles with top to bottom, so let's really hope they don't on this deck. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Goodness freaking gracious. That is gorgeous. Now let's make sure we get that nice dribble sound, see what those sound like. Oh yeah. Now when it comes to the stock and finish of these playing cards, the stock is going to be about middle of the line. Not going to be super thick, not going to be super thin, right about the middle. And then when it comes to how it's going to feel in your hands, when it comes either snappy or buttery, this one's going to have a good bit of both. So buttery moves are more for things like under pressure, which look like this. Goodness gracious, that looks good with these playing cards. And then snappy moves are more for things like backdrop. Now clearly those are two cardistry moves, and this is a Magic deck, but we'll get into that in a second. Now on top of all this, I was told that this was a marked deck, so if it is, I will then figure it out and let you guys know how to read it. Now when I received this massive collector's box with the cards inside, I didn't only get these playing cards. This one happens to be a stripper deck and my first stripper deck. So next Wednesday I'll be talking about the difference between a regular deck and a stripper deck on next Wednesday. Now with the marking system reveal and the stripper deck review coming up really soon, you might want to consider subscribing and ringing the bell so you can be notified when they drop. And if you want to see the unboxing of this deck of playing cards that can hold 4 decks inside, absolutely huge, gorgeous, and I'm so happy with it, then I would check out the unboxing video right there. Check out another video down there, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is CPM, signing off.